Every time I want to give up hope on people, something like this happens. Alabama, the third reading has gone for a bill, destroys the marriage license policy in Alabama. Understand what's going on here. In SB 20, the synopsis of this bill is under the existing law, marriage licenses are issued by the judge of a probate, and marriage is required to be solemnized by a person authorized before marriage. This bill establishes the procedure for two people to enter into marriage and requires the recording of such marriages with the judge of the probate. This bill would require the judge of probate to transmit each recorded marriage received by the judge of probate during the preceding calendar month to the Office of the Vital Statistics on or before the 5th day of the following calendar month. This bill would eliminate the requirement of marriage license. This bill would provide that the two parties desiring to enter into marriage must record certain affidavits and forms and data regarding the parties entering into the marriage with the judge of the probate. This bill would provide that it shall be the responsibility of the two parties entering into the marriage to record the required documentation with the judge of the probate. This bill would specify that the judge of probate would have no authority to reject any recordings of marriage so long as the affidavit, form, and data are provided. This bill would provide that a religious, civil, or independent ceremony of marriage or other officiation or administration of marital vows may be conducted or engaged in by the parties. This bill would eliminate the requirement for solemnization of a marriage for it to be considered valid. In other words, it takes the state of Alabama out of the marriage, which is probably one of the things that should have stayed as a trend in this country, but the government has become, well, the civil government has become so involved in things that such small matters as marriage has been put on the burden of the state. And technically, a marriage license is a tax. That's basically what a license is. It's basically a tax. Whether it's a hunting license or a fishing license, it's more ways the federal government can get money out of you, or the state government in this case. This is a very good trend if this passes. The requirements, though, for this, quote, marriage, though, is still that you have to be 18 years of age, and that it is at least 16 and under 18 years of age and has a consent of parent or guardian if you're 16 and under, and that it is legally competent to enter the marriage, so crazy people can't get married. Sorry. The parties are not related by blood or adoption, such as marriage would violate. So you can't be related and married. So the thing is, they won't record it, but they're not going to get involved with it. There you go, folks. So let's keep an eye on Alabama and see how this goes.